In this video, I'll show you how to embed videos in Squarespace. Once you are on your Squarespace website, the first step is to head over to the top bar, and on the left-hand side, simply click on Edit so we can start customizing our website. Once you are on your Squarespace website, the first step is to scroll down to the section where you want to add a video embed. I have here a blank section, and what you want to do on your desired section is simply hover, and on the top and left hand side, you will see an option to add a block. Simply click on Add Block. Now from here, you want to go to Essentials, and under Essentials, you will find Video. Simply hold Video, and you'll be able to add it within your section. Now, what you could also do is add a file embed, and it will be the same process. Simply head over to your section, and at the top and left corner, click on Add Block. And from here, you want to scroll down until you see Code. Now, under Code, you want to head over to Embed, simply hold and drag into your section. If you can't find Embed as well as Video, there is a search bar at the very top, and in here, you can simply search for Embed. And once you search for Embed, in here you will have two options, a video and an embed. And once you're done, simply hold and drag within your desired section. Now, let's say you want to add a video embed using the embed block. What you need to do is simply head over to YouTube. Now, let's say this is the exact video in which you want to embed. So simply head over to the bottom of the video. And on the right hand side, you will see the option to share. Simply click on that one. And from here, you want to head over to the very left hand side and the first option, which is embed. Now, once you do that, this is where you can add a start for the video. And at the bottom, you can show the player controls or enable the privacy enhanced method. And once you're done, head over to the bottom and right hand side and click on copy. Now head over back to Squarespace. In here, just simply click on the embed block. And at the top, click on the pencil to edit. Now on the right hand side, what you want to do is simply click on Code Snippet, and at the bottom, click on Embed Data. Once you do that, this is where you can start adding the code, so simply press and Control V. And once you do that, it will automatically add a video block, as you can see in here. Now what you could also do on the video block is simply click on it, and at the top, click on the pencil to edit. Now on the right hand side, this is where you can add a video, so simply click on the plus sign. And at the bottom, you can add a link from YouTube or Vimeo. So simply click on Add from Link. And in here, what you want to do is simply head over to the YouTube video. And at the bottom, click on Share. And once you click on Share, you just want to simply head over to the right-hand side of the URL and press on Copy. Now head over back to Squarespace. In here, you just want to simply press and Control V to paste the URL, and once you're done, it will automatically search the video, and if it says that it is found and ready for use, head over to the bottom and right hand side and click on Add. Once you do that, as you can see, it will automatically load the video, and we now have a video embed. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.